Have you wondered how to hook your motorhome up or your camper at your house? Well, stick around and we'll find out. Has your camper got a 50 amp plug that looks like this? Or a 30 amp plug that looks like this? But all you have is a receptacle that looks like this? Then you need an adapter. They sell 30 amp and 50 amp that will adapt down to 15 amp 120 volts. This will allow you to plug up at your house. It will keep your batteries charged. You can run your refrigerator and maybe one air conditioner. The one I use is a Leisure Cords 15 amp male to 50 amp female. They sell them that go from 50 down to 30, 30 to 15. But if you have a 50 amp, this is the kind you will need. And I can plug up my extension cord right here, and then this plugs right into the coach, and I can charge my batteries and do everything I need to do. Let's head outside and I'll show you how to hook it up. This is my electrical bay in my coach. Right here is my automatic transfer switch, and this right here is where my 50 amp power cord plugs in to power everything in the coach. All I have to do is flip the lid up, plug the adapter in, tighten its little ring down, plug my extension cord up, and my coach is powered. Now, it won't power everything. I can't run both air conditioners, but it will keep the batteries charged, and a lot of stuff runs off your 12 volts. And you can get ready for a trip, keep everything good inside, and that will do. So if you find yourself in a situation where you don't have full power, if you don't have 50 amps, or if your trailer takes 30 amps, then you need to get you adapters. It's good to have a 50 to 30 adapter, a 30 to 15 adapter, and a 50 to 15 adapter. This should get you anything you need at any campsite or at your house. I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you have, give me a thumbs up and press the subscribe button down below.